Hi Ray. There seems to be a few unusual things happening, so I'll just run through it. I've clicked on the Darwin page, so that'd be one of my first click frees gone. This one's William Bay, so I'll just clear caches and come back in a second. 1 second. So I've just cleared caches, and here we go. I'm going to click on William Bay. Okay, so that's good. No, sorry, that's no good. So that should be first click free. And Australia attractions, Coral Bay. So that's a protected page. So I'll just enter that one indirect. Okay, so that's working as it should, but I don't know if I've exhausted my Google First Click Freeze. Okay, tribulation. I haven't clicked on that one before, so I'll click on that. And still being redirected. So yeah, not sure if I've exhausted my Google First Click Freeze, Ray. Probably need to check that first. Over to you. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.